Let's talk about a metal that thrives where others fail: Inconel. This remarkable material is designed to withstand conditions that would destroy ordinary metals in seconds. It's a super alloy, engineered for the world's harshest environments. Inconel is built to endure relentless heat, crushing pressure, and corrosive chemicals, making it indispensable in modern industry. You'll find it in jet engines, deep-sea oil rigs, and nuclear reactors, places where failure isn't an option. These are environments where safety and reliability are absolutely critical, and only the toughest materials make the cut. Inconel is actually a family of nickel-chromium alloys, each tailored for extreme heat or corrosion resistance. Different grades are formulated for specific challenges, from resisting salt water to withstanding the searing heat of combustion. When most metals would melt or corrode, Inconel forms a protective layer, keeping it strong even when red hot. This oxide layer acts like a shield, locking out damage and preserving the metal's strength. That's why engineers trust it for critical jobs. Whether it's powering a jet or protecting a reactor, Inconel is the material of choice when lives and technology are on the line. Making Inconel is a blend of science and art, demanding precision at every step. The process requires careful control of temperature, composition, and timing to achieve the perfect balance of properties. Its secret? At high temperatures, it doesn't weaken, it gets tougher thanks to its unique internal structure. The arrangement of atoms inside Inconel gives it a strength that actually increases as the heat rises. This resilience makes Inconel the go-to for building things that must survive the impossible. It's trusted in situations where even the smallest failure could have catastrophic consequences. It's not just metal, it's a microscopic suit of armor. Every grain and layer is engineered for maximum protection and performance. Inconel's story is about pushing the limits of what metal can do. It represents the cutting edge of metallurgy, where science meets innovation. It's the backbone of technology that keeps our world running. From energy to transportation, Inconel is quietly at work behind the scenes. And it all starts with the right mix of elements. That's the secret behind Inconel's legendary strength and reliability. Every superalloy begins with a precise recipe. Before any melting or forging can happen, the ingredients must be chosen with care, just like a chef selecting only the finest components for a gourmet dish. Nickel is the main ingredient, giving Inconel its strength and heat resistance. Without nickel, the alloy wouldn't survive the extreme environments it's designed for, from jet engines to nuclear reactors. Chromium is added for oxidation protection, forming a shield at high temperatures. This invisible armor keeps the metal from rusting or breaking down, even when exposed to intense heat. Iron, molybdenum, and sometimes niobium or titanium join the mix, each adding toughness or specialized properties. These elements are carefully selected to tailor the alloy for its specific job, whether it needs to resist corrosion, handle stress, or maintain shape under pressure. The amounts must be exact, too much or too little, and you lose the superalloy magic. Even a small error can change the entire structure of the final product. Metallurgists weigh each element with scientific precision. They use advanced scales and double-check every measurement, knowing that accuracy is everything. Even trace elements can make a huge difference. A pinch of carbon or a dash of aluminum can dramatically alter the alloy's performance, making it stronger, lighter, or more flexible. The raw metals are selected, measured, and prepared for melting. Each step is documented and checked, ensuring nothing is left to chance. This isn't guesswork, it's high-stakes chemistry. The outcome will determine if the alloy can withstand the harshest conditions or fail when it matters most. Every atom has a purpose. The arrangement and proportion of each element are what gives superalloys their remarkable abilities. The right blend is the foundation for everything that follows. If the mix is perfect, the alloy will perform beyond expectations. One mistake, and the batch is ruined. The cost of error is high, both in materials and in time. That's why this step is treated with absolute care. Every detail matters because the future of the superalloy depends on getting the mix just right. Now, it's time to melt the mix, inside a vacuum induction furnace. This is no ordinary oven. Here, science and engineering come together to create the perfect environment for forging superalloys. The process begins as the raw metals are loaded into a crucible, sealed away from the outside world. This high-tech chamber heats metals to thousands of degrees, turning solids into a glowing liquid. The intense heat is so powerful, it can melt even the toughest metals, transforming them into a shimmering molten pool. The vacuum is crucial. It keeps oxygen out, preventing impurities that could weaken the alloy. Without this vacuum, unwanted reactions could ruin the metal's strength and durability. Electromagnetic fields stir the molten metal, blending every element perfectly. This constant motion ensures that the alloy's composition is uniform from edge to edge, with no hidden flaws. Uniformity is key. Any weak spot could mean disaster in the final product. Every atom must be in its right place, or the entire batch could be compromised. Operators monitor temperature, pressure, and chemistry in real time. Their vigilance ensures that every parameter stays within strict limits, guaranteeing the highest quality. It's a dance of physics and precision, taming a miniature sun inside steel walls. The energy inside the furnace is immense, and only careful control can harness it safely. After hours of controlled chaos, the metals fuse into a single, flawless superalloy. This is the moment when raw ingredients become something far greater than the sum of their parts. But the journey isn't over. The molten metal must now be shaped and solidified, locking in its remarkable properties. The next step, casting this liquid fire into solid form. Carefully, the glowing metal is poured into molds, beginning its transformation from liquid to solid. Every second in the furnace shapes the alloy's future strength. The cooling process is just as critical as the melting, determining the final structure of the metal. This is where Inconel is truly born. From a chaotic mix of elements, a new superalloy emerges, ready to face extreme environments. The result, a molten masterpiece, ready for the next challenge and destined for greatness in the world's most demanding applications. The molten Inconel is poured into heavy-duty molds, forming massive ingots. These molds withstand extreme heat, shaping the alloy into blocks or cylinders. Cooling is carefully controlled, too fast or too slow, and the metal's structure suffers. As it solidifies, atoms lock into a strong uniform crystal lattice. Once cooled, the ingots are removed, giant blocks of potential. They may look unremarkable, but inside is the superalloy's true power. These ingots are the starting point for everything from turbine blades to reactor parts. But before they're useful, they must be shaped, and that's no easy task. Turning Inconel ingots into usable forms is a battle. Its strength makes it tough to shape. Machining it is like carving stone with a spoon. The ingots are reheated, then forged, rolled, or extruded by massive machines. Even red-hot Inconel resists every blow, wearing down tools and demanding huge force. Each step refines the grain structure, making the metal even stronger. The process is slow, energy-intensive, and relentless, but the result is bars, sheets, or wires, ready for their final transformation. Shaping Inconel is a test of both man and machine. And the metal still isn't at its peak. One last step remains. The final step is heat treatment, a science of controlled heating and cooling. Parts are heated, held, then rapidly cooled to lock elements in place. Next comes aging, a lower, prolonged heat that forms microscopic hard particles. These particles reinforce the metal, giving Inconel its legendary strength at high temperatures. After this, the parts are inspected and polished. Now, Inconel is ready for the world's toughest jobs. From jet engines to nuclear reactors, it stands where others fail. That's the journey from raw elements to superalloy champion.